Did you know the first murder in history happened between two brothers over a simple offering to God? Cain and Abel were the very first brothers ever born. Both wanted to honor God with gifts. Cain brought vegetables from his farm. Abel brought the best animals from his flock. But God accepted Abel's offering and rejected Cain's. Instead of looking at his own heart, Cain let jealousy eat him alive. The resentment grew and grew until he couldn't take it anymore. One day, Cain asked Abel to walk with him to a field. There, in that quiet place, Cain committed the world's first murder, killing his own brother. When God asked where Abel was, Cain said those famous words, "Am I my brother's keeper?" But Abel's blood cried out from the ground for justice. God cursed Cain to wander the earth, yet still protected him with a special mark. This story teaches us that God cares more about the heart behind our actions than the actions themselves. Like and follow for more inspiring Bible stories that will change your perspective.